day today, and welcome to my first ever narrated video. Today I'm going to take you to a city called Askim and a special place there. But first I have to take this rhubarb with me. And here you can see I have to be careful because there are also a lot of nettles inside here. So when I remove them from the ground, I have to wear gloves, I think. This rhubarb has grown by my house since I bought the house, so let's get ready to pick. And here I'm finished. As you can see, there are a lot of roots left and some leaves, and they don't want leaves and they don't want the roots, so I got to cut off the roots, and also I gotta cut off the big leaves. So there's only one thing to do, that's to work some more. And here you can see what's left of my big patch of rhubarb. So let's bring out the knife and put on some rhubarb cutting music. So I'm all finished. How much do you think it is? 10 kilos, 20 kilos, 5 kilos, 20 pounds? I don't know. Let's see when we get there. So I put everything in a cardboard box, put it in my car, and let's drive to Askim. And of course, when we drive, we're gonna have some driving music. So we're finally here, and I got to press the bell to deliver the rhubarb. There is my cardboard box again. How much you think it is? I'm gonna find out any second now. Here it's on the weight. And after that I'm gonna empty the rhubarb in those boxes, and they're gonna weigh the empty box again. Here it is. So it was 14 kilos, about 30 pounds of rhubarb, and for that I got 210 crowns. about $22, but I can trade in a lot of good stuff. Here it is. This is Askim Frukt Bærpresseri, roughly translated as Askim Frukt Bærpresseri. That is an old company that's been in the city of Askim for many years, and they make a lot of good stuff. And they have this wonderful shop here and a small museum. But before we go in, of course we got to have some of this and clean our hands. The pandemic is still on in the world. Here you can see part of the museum and some of the products they make that you can buy. You can buy also a lot of other stuff here, and here is some products they make. This is rapeseed oil. There are some different types of bottles, some empty bottles, and an old Ringnes beer case. And here are a collection of labels and bottles. Of course you would see more if I didn't put my finger in front of the lens, but that happens. And here are some old production equipment. Here is inside this shop. When you have empty bottles you can deliver them there, because they have special bottles that only they use. Cider and eplemost, a good nice drink made from apple that are very popular. And here is a small cafeteria where you can eat slush and ice cream, all locally made. Here are some of the other products they make. Sorry, not they make, but from other companies. There's a company called Dritforbanna, which really means very pissed off. And here you can see I have a good selection of products here. These, on the other hand, are made right here where I'm standing now. Cherry, blueberry, strawberry, and rhubarb and strawberry. Which one shall I pick? I think I will have the rhubarb and strawberry. This is called saft, and saft is a squash drink that is very popular in Norway and in Scandinavia. There are a lot of jellies. Blackcurrant, red currant, apple, all made in the house. As you can see, it's a wonderful shop and it's very popular among tourists and others. Also they have some cheeses and meat products from other small producers. I didn't buy anything this time, but next time I'm going to buy these sausages. They look very nice. Coffee and tea. And they also have a lot of gift baskets. Very popular for people to give at Christmas or birthday, or for companies to give them to employees as a gift. large selection of gift baskets here. Rhubarb drinking, and this is very nice, tastes very good, served ice cold. And I really like these lamps made from old bottles. Really lights up the place in a nice way. So you want to see what I bought? I bought this rhubarb, and cherry. Mix it with a little water, ice cold water and ice cube, and tastes very nice. This one you saw, rhubarb and strawberry. Blackcurrant, good for drinking in the winter, warm or cold. And red currant, very nice, tastes very good. And also I got some jellies, cherry jelly, and red currant jelly. And what else did I get? Yes, I got a bottle opener. And of course I bought a slush, a rhubarb and strawberry slush. All this I paid an extra $6. So I think it was a good deal, of course, with the trade-in of the rhubarb. The slush gave me brain freeze 2 times, so it's good, there's something up there. So I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.